Hello everyone, welcome here. DeepSeek for business professionals. Yes, this section onwards who are in business professionals or who wants to start a business using AI techniques and tools. So here we are going to discussing the best business ideas with low investment, how it is possible. The ideas how we can get using DeepSeek. Let's see. Go to deepseek.com, start now, and once you successfully logged in, I have shown you the login, how to log into create an account and enter inside this DeepSeek. It's a free. So find the lecture to how to create an account. Now here the prompting, we have to ask DeepSeek to the best business ideas to start. So I am asking like a prompt, suggest the best business ideas to start a new business with low investments. So as of now I am starting low investment only. I am trying to asking this DeepSeek. Let's see what the suggestions it will give us. And also if you are having some specific category of business, or you have a passion what type of business you are going to start, in such if any in your mind, you may start by getting such an information. Alright, now see here, starting a business with a low investment requires the creativity, leveraging and your skill, identifying market gaps. The findings which you find out, definitely you can start it. So freelancing services, skills required, writing, graphic design, web development, web pages or websites creation, social media management, etc. Why it works, you can start with a laptop with internet connection, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, such a type of freelancing works, you can start it. And investment is very low, mostly time and effort is required for yours, right? And drop shipping. So here what is the sell products online without holding inventory. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product delivery directly to them. So why it works, no need to invest inventory or warehouse, like a Shopify, WooCommerce and eBay. These are the platforms it's supporting in these particular drop shippings. Okay, and similarly online tutoring and coaching. This is the best option and best opportunity. What you are having in a skills, multiple skills. So you can try to create, it might be languages, it might be programming or academic subjects like math, music, fitness, freelancing, anything. So it's a high demand for personalized learning skills for the most of the professionals are looking, as well as students. And platforms like online classes, how you can take a Zoom, Skype, or platforms like tutor.com. So many online platforms are freely you can utilize Google Meet, Microsoft Meets. These platforms you can use it. So low, a very low investment, like a laptop and internet is enough to start this business. Anyone, it might be student or it might be working professional who are seeking to extra income. So these things you should go and start it. And content creation, YouTube, blogging, podcasting, you check it. So these so many ideas, handmade products, crafts, visual assistants, social media management, pets and sittings under dog working, and digital marketing agency, affiliate marketing and home cleaning services, cleaning and event planners, demanding on the business and print on, mobile car wash, online reselling, fitness trainer, meal preparation or catering, blogging, photography. So 20 plus given a smart solutions for the business ideas who wants to start with a low investment. If you want to go and particular category wise business idea, if you need, you just ask a prompt and you will get definitely. And also you can ask how to run it, how to take the marketing strategies, step by step process you can collect from here. So why are you late? Start searching if you are looking really you want to start a new business or you want to grow in a business categories. We will see more lectures in upcoming, how business professional can get help from DeepSeek AI. See you in the next one. Thank you. Welcome here. This lecture you are going to learning unlock business insight to success when you are starting a new business or running business. So this lecture we are going to asking using a prompt to DeepSeek to how to unlock business insight to get in a success in less time. So let's see my prompt here. It is how to unlock like a business insights to success. Yes, let's see a simple prompt I am given to this particular DeepSeek AI. So what are the possibilities it is going to providing us, we will see now here. So unlocking, like whenever you are starting a new business and you may be not aware of all the things of the strategies, how to move on the sales, the product which is maybe whatever the product you are using and you are trying to selling to the end users. So here few steps I have asked here for informing decision, saying the competitive and achieving the long-term success. Here the step-by-step guide, it's a helping of valuable information which is most possibly helpful for business professionals. Let's see, define your goals and key metrics. What do clearly outline your business objectives, increase the revenue, improve customer retentions and reduce cost. So what it's matter, goal it's helps the focus of the metrics of they truly matters whenever you are trying to asking and verifying and observing your businesses. And similarly, see, track metrics like a customer lifetime value and conversion rate and a net promotion score NPS. These are the important aspects. Collect and analyze data. Sales data, revenue, profit margins and sales trends are very important whenever you are trying to moving ads or anything which is your product is going to the inside the market. And customer data, demographics, behavior and feedback is very important. Always you have to collect the feedback from the users. So operational data, efficiency, cost, supply and cost management and performances. Market data, industry trends, whenever you have to go with the trending trending technologies or trending products, competitor how they are and how you are going to be promoting, what are the key points which are attracting to the customers. These are important, you should mind it. And also see, use tools like Google Analytics, CRM if you are using online products or website. So CRM software, Salesforce is there, business intelligence platforms like W, Power BI for data visualization. What are data insights? If you are having a huge data sets in your hand, collecting the data, sales, products, users, so whatever it may be, so from there you can simply collect it and using this visualization tools to take a metrics like a decision making system. So how super easily you can take it. So why you require to take the decision making systems, what the product of users are who are interested in which area, and that product you may focus more. Why the other products are not important, not moving in a fast way, then how you can choose very super easily you can put in a front line and how you can apply to take the next steps. These steps you can take from the this DeepSeek AI. And monitoring and customer feedback. Yes, customer provide the direct insights of what is the working or what is not. And monitoring competitors, leverage technology and automations. Yes, most of the persons see every process, if it is making automation means, a simple example I'll tell you, if it is a cinema ticket booking counter like a Book My Show or any booking system is there directly they are providing barcode. When you are entering into the theater or movie, directly you can scan it and enter inside the theater, directly you can have an access. So this is called automation technique. So whenever you are using any supermarket, such an examples, you can make it a product barcode is available right now for all the products like a DMart or any supermarkets. So directly customer can scan the product and he can avail to pay the bill through using any mobile app or credit card. He can pay directly and he can go through outside to taking the products. So such a mechanism if you prepared, it will called fully automated system. Yes, man intervention will be very low if you done means yes, definitely customers also, there is a no time persons are also there, they don't want to wait, they directly bill it and they went away. You may observe a few of the petrol bunks or diesel tank fillings, gas filling stations are directly they can giving the facility to the users to making automation. So try and conduct conduct SWOT analysis. So these are when you apply, yes, definitely you can enable your business insights to making success. data-driven culture, virtual data and better understanding, collaboration access, focus on predictive analysis, and regular reviews and adjustment strategies, invest employee training. So having such a query, I'm giving like a query like unlocking the business solutions. If you are having any in your mind like which is a correctly focused point how you want to improve, yes, ask DeepSeek. You will get a great information and try to apply simply a simple smart way. You try to apply one by one and focus it and take the feedback and review it and again you have to apply. I hope it will help you to business success for DeepSeek help. See you in the next lecture. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture you are going to learn automating business processes using DeepSeek help. So here I am giving like a simple like a prompting technique to like asking DeepSeek to taking in important points to making automations to applying my business process of product development company. Let's check here how to automate business process for product development company. So if you have any thoughts of business process improvement on product development company, real estate company, sales company, delivery company, and automobile company, what the process business of your like a particular business, which category it might be, healthcare or sciences, like so many is there. So you just try to change that keyword and try to ask this particular DeepSeek AI. Yes, let's see automating business process of product based company. What the keyword I have given, it is giving us. So significantly improve the efficiency, reduce the like a cost and saving the time. See, accelerate the time to market and step-by-step guide it is given for us. Let's see, it is writing very quickly. It is writing so much of whenever the server is busy means it is taking some time. Otherwise it is a very quickly it is responding for most of the queries very quickly. So identifying the process automate means what the data product life cycle, identify repetitive task where it is happening, time consuming and error prone task, example idea generation and validation, product management task, design, testing and quality, customer feedback. These are the things you have to concentrate. Map out current workflow. So document existing workflow, understand how are the currently performing and choose the right automation tools. So what the automation tools are there? These are the automation tools are readily available for project management, design, prototype, testing, customer feedback, documentation. Automation tools are readily available. So one by one, if you apply in a particular category, the tools will lead you many work hours. It will be saves. And the same way, automate idea generation and validation, idea scale and bright idea, Google Trends, SME for the marketing research. And similarly, so many points is given. Streamline the project management and tools, automate design prototype and Adobe XD, and implementation, automated testing, automated customer feedback, documentation and reporting using these tools. So many tools has been suggested for us. So which category you want to improve? Train the team. Coursera, Udemy, online courses are readily available, which is helping them to train the latest skills where it is required and ensure data security and sales automation gradually. So key points as finally it's given. So which category you want to improve? So such a tool, manpower, if you are having an available and applying in your business processes, yes, you could automate with the less manpower and save the working hours too. So such a great automation tips it is giving you. So whenever you require as a project manager, you just identify the tools, you just train to the manpower and apply it. So online courses are also readily available. Which tool they wants to learn deeply. Keen world-class instructors are readily available. They are making a great efforts with the real-world concepts. So try. See you in the next lecture. Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture you are going to learn like write a business emails to the professionals or higher department or manager wherever you want to. At the same time, and you may be like any as a business professional, and you want to write a mail to Amazon or Flipkart or any like corporate companies or CEOs or wherever who are the concerned person to write an official emails. Yes, how to write, how to request DeepSeek AI to take a format template. So here I'll asking this lecture specially designed for writing business emails. So let's see, write a business email to Amazon manager for product listing confirmation. Product listing confirmation. What I'm trying to asking here, to draft I don't know how to write, then I can easily take a support from this DeepSeek AI. So if I given like a concerned country addressing to the manager, these are the details, yes, definitely it will be provided for us in the default matter, like this template itself. So here you may see subject requesting product listing confirmation, your product name we have to specify, and dear Amazon manager, I hope this email finds you well. So the template, product name and Asian number, product listing is activated and visible to the customers. Could you please confirm the following details it is given. So if any point you want to discuss with the manager and any important information you want to add in your template, so replace placeholders like Amazon manager's name, product, these are the things. Keep the tone polite and a professional way, and if you don't know the manager's name, then could address the email dear Amazon team also you can specify. So dear seller support also you can specify to write an email to the Amazon. So this way the professions who are inside the business and they don't know how to drafting an emails, yes, definitely AI will support you and will boost you. At the same time, a manager who are inside a company or a business area and take an acceptance of the tour plan. So let's see, for this prompt I am trying write a professional message to acceptance the tour plan of team members. Professional message to team manager for acceptance of the tour plan of a team members. Let's see. Nowadays, you know that Teams meetings are there, chat using WhatsApp messages are there, professional message, anything if they want to convey to the person, to the higher authority. See here, request or approval tour plan. So here, dear the manager, I hope doing well. As a part of ongoing project, our specific purpose, client engaging market research, building team, we have prepared a detailed tour plan of the team. It's a schedule of the start date, end date and the locations where they are going, like it might be local or it may be non-local, where the client's place. So objective of the tour plan, objective 1, example, strengthening the client relationship, conduct on-site market research, enhance the team collaboration. What are the key points you have to specify, and write the names of the persons also you can. So it is given us for a great acceptance, like the letter prompting, like a letter, it is created for us, draft and shared us. So applying like many keywords, if you are having any words like a project name or a specific task where you are assigning to the members, these all are, be clear and concerned about the purpose. Okay, and attach tour plan like literally if it is requirement, any references, use a polite and professional tone. If the tour is urgent, mention the timeline for approval quickly for urgent. Alright, this way we can create using business emails, business messages, professional images and business catalogs if you want to create. Yes, definitely you can create it. So try to ask what is your requirement and prepare your drafts. See you in the next lecture. Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture is for business professionals to improving sales and marketing techniques using AI tools. This information how we are going to getting using DeepSeek and how it will help us for improving business growth. So let's see, I'm crafting a prompt like how to improve sales and marketing strategies. Marketing strategies using AI tools for future business growth. Let's submit this prompt. Let's see how the smart way to building like a future growth for our running business or initiating a new business. Let's see. So here for the sales and marketing, many combinations are going to be involved to focus the category who is the required product, how the person is going to be taking the requirements area. This all we have to check it. So the first option you see, personalized customer experience. Yes, based on that survey and based on that experience, we can improve it. How AI help is AI analyze customer data, deliver the personalized recommendations like emails, ads to collect it. Tools like a CRM, Salesforce, Instant and HubSpot AI tools are readily available to do such type of tasks. So the personality engines and the similarly predictive analytics and sales forecasting. AI helps to predict the future sales trends, customer behavior and revenue reports. What are the revenue reports? You have to be check it. At the same time, Salesforce forecasting and data analytics using Tableau and Power BI. These Power BI and Tableau tools are data insights. It will enable you to take a quick decision making to preparing so very short time charts with huge data sets. And these are the two tools are given for sales forecasting identifications, automate lead scoring and segmentations. Like AI scores leads based on their likelihood converts and segments of their targeted companies. So these are the tools are given for automation of the sales leads. And enhance customer support with chatbots. Yes, most of the companies are adding AI powered chatbots to giving a solutions as a customer service representative without call center. Automatically it is making a queries to the users and asking. Such a great tools like Drift, Intercom and Zendesk AI. These are the tools are there. And Dialogflow, Google Dialogflow, Amazon Lex also voice assistants directly from the users. They will respond the user. And optimization advanced advertising companies. See, Google Ads Smart Bidding and Facebook Ads Manager is also there for SEO, like a search in social media marketing techniques, and improve content creation and curation. So AI tools, Jasper AI is there, Copy.ai is there, this tool is there, OpenAI tools of chatbot, ChatGPT is also there to create a more content like a creative contents and suggestions. Leverage voice and visual research. So here Alexa skills is there and Google voice search is there for applying wherever you want to integrate AI to your business and give a most possible smart solutions to the user. Yes, definitely you can apply such a skills. At the same time, if you are learning and if you are going in such a category of a business, the business like a business or job working you want to tune into working professional, such a tools you need to learn and focus more. And see, analyzing customer sentiment, automate email marketing. Yes, directly automation also there in the email marketing. So such a tools like MailChimp and Active Campaigns and Sendinblue. These are the tools like automation tools. Enhance the sales establishment enablements and implementing dynamic pricing. And see, offers you have to specify to the user. Sales dynamic pricing after using AI social media marketing. Tools are given here. So in this way, using DeepSeek to get much more relevant information. If you crafted your this particular input, the prompt, if you crafted how you require to get an information using DeepSeek AI, definitely it is giving great information to quickly you can improve your tasks. Alright, I hope it will help you. Try your prompt and get more information. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome here. Generating extra income with DeepSeek AI powered opportunities. So just I'm trying to asking DeepSeek if any AI powered opportunities to get an extra income. Let's see how to generate an prompt is not entering here. How to generate an extra income using DeepSeek AI opportunity. I'm just asking an extra who are working professionals who are doing in a business, side business or extra income. Most of the persons and most of the people are nowadays they are trying to making more and extra income revenue sources they are trying to searching. Yes, if you are a working professional, how you can improve your revenue more than other ways. Let's see. Here it is given a best opportunities for us like a freelance data analysis and insights. So what do offer data analysis services to businesses to the DeepSeek AI advanced analytical capabilities. This advanced AI is also giving us analyze data sets, generate enabling insights, offering services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn. These are the like who wants to and who are require the services, they will upload the project over here. This such type of like websites. From there you can get the project and you can pay like they'll if you submitted your work successfully according to their requirements, definitely you will get the payouts. So specialized in industries like e-commerce, finance, marketing, so many, and banking sector. And create and sell AI reports, AI powered reports, like market trends and customer behavior. These are the reports if you prepared and submitted to the who are the real like some example of real estate, stock market, customer trends. These are the categories who want. There you can submit their like your reports of the regular trends and develop AI chatbots for the small business. Yes, you can develop chatbots if you are a developer, if you are a no code user. Yes, you can try to ask DeepSeek to build your chatbots for a small business for as a customer representatives. And automation, social media management. At the same time, offer predictive analytics services. Create AI powered content. Yes, as you are a content creator and if you don't know anything how to create for the new concept, yes, ask the content like queries and get an information and let according to the customer requirements craft it and you can get it and prepare a content for them and build and sell AI models. At the same time, offer like AI powered customer service solutions, online courses and tutorials. Yes, it's a really awesome opportunity for who are looking and working. They can sit at their own place and they can start it to creating ebooks, online courses and publish to the Udemy and so many. Udemy is there, Teachable is there, Skillshare is there, so many things are there. And coaching consultant you can work and at the same time you can prepare your books also. At the same time, automate e-commerce operations and develop AI powered apps. So offer AI enhancement, market research, automate email marketing campaigns. You can take it behalf of AI build like niche markets, monetization and monetize AI generated art or content. So smart like start a small focus on 2 opportunities to build expertise and then you can also you have to publish your works and outcomes in the social media across the platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook or Udemy YouTube videos to making your portfolio to be popular. Then definitely you will reach, but it's take a time, it's a effort and the time it will take. Then definitely you will be paid by the required users. Try today. See you in the next lecture. Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture you are going to learn something like a Excel data analytical reports, how we can create using DeepSeek AI. So let's quickly have a look into that. This data sheet I have prepared for Excel with 500 rows. So the data sheet is having like a product category, sales, region, units, price, total sale. These are the data file Excel sheet with me and what I am trying to getting. So uploading by using this pin option to like uploading my desktop sales report to this particular DeepSeek AI. Now here what I am trying to doing, extract only text from the images from here. So using this file, using this data like a sales data also we can specify sales data to create data analytical reports and show me for analysis purpose, anything if you want to click, or you need not to require. So submit this query to this particular DeepSeek AI. So let's see how it is going to be collect our data and analyze our data and start preparing these preparations of analytical reports one by one. So let's see. So when the 500 of data records is given, and it should be taking and extracting data from the file, and it will initiate the preparation of the analyticals. So let's see, when it is a DeepSeek is busy means it takes some time, otherwise it very quickly it will give us the reports one by one. So let's see. So you may observe here, so my prompt is collected, and to create data analyticals reports of providing sales data is various aspects such as total sales by product category, region, so many things are there. So now here it is, I think it is giving a point of 20 points, 20 categories it is giving for us as we tested. So here total sales by product category, first it is given. So it's like total sales product category wise it is giving, and also providing like the Python style of code we can use to write the Python sales code, and region determining the region wise Python how we can build it, sales by sales representative, and monthly sales we can get it. At the same time top 10 product sales we can get it, and sales distribution unit prices. So many things directly we can write to get the Python program also it is given us. So many things, right? At the same time I just ask like yeah, once it is completed I try to ask directly show me the visual like direct steps of reports. Let's see. Yeah, so 20 points is over. Let's see, sales by product category, month wise charts, how we can prepare, sales by region, 21 points. So many things are given. So many things are giving one by one. Sales representative by monthly line charts. So if you are a developer using a Python and a Python data analytics or data science concepts, if you are implementing means these many possible combinations you can get using DeepSeek. So see how many I said you 24 reports, it's a 24, 25 sales product category, sales heat map, sales by representative. So many reports of Python code is created. Which category of which report you are focusing more you can use to apply. And I'll ask here like show me show me the reports only, not Python code. Just revising my query and submitting again. So what happens here? Let's see now. So let's see. Due to the server busy, I have uploaded file one more time using the file to show me the analytical reports only, not the Python code. So here analytical reports based on this file, it is showing like a total sales by category, directly the statistical information it is given for us. So how beautifully it is. The insights of the sports category generating, and total revenue by region, and total sales and insights, what it is exactly it is giving, and like a strong performer, all this information this AI tool itself it is given. So average unit price, monthly sales of trends, and same time units sold by product category, and sales performance by region of the product category. So many east, west, north, south, how many of the total clothes, books, home, electronics. At the same time products by top sales, like 5 products of category, sales of amount as also, sales representative performance, and see margins of the percentage. These many important analytical reports is created for us So these insights can be guide decision making areas such as marketing, inventory management, and regional strategy adjustments. So you can do it easily by taking good decisions. So all you have to apply by uploading any of your Excel data to asking what type of report you need to create or prepare using this AI tool. So how beautifully it is giving you and helping you for taking data decision making systems. So try to take your Excel and test with DeepSeek AI how greatly saving your time. Then you apply real world data. So wish you good luck and catch you in the next lecture. Hi everyone, welcome here. This lecture we are going to getting sales data predictions using Excel data to uploading to DeepSeek AI to getting predictions like a sales prediction for future purpose and future references. For this I have used the Excel sample file of the data what I have shown you in the previous lecture also. The same data with the 500 of records. This data I am going to uploading to DeepSeek AI. See here I have uploaded using this pinpoint. And using this file data to show me the sales predictions for future plan is my prompting I have submitted to here, and I have getting this data. Now you simply see how the sales prediction is given for us. The predictive it's a providing sales predictions like a future plans data provided. Here we can basic analysis using historical sales, step-by-step approach it is showing for us. So let's see data preparation, aggregation sales data, summarizing the data monthly wise, identifying the trends, patterns, seasonality and growth rates. So time sales series analysis, monthly sales, calculating the total each of every month and seasonal trends, year to year growth, how we need to get it, and predictive modeling, how the steps it is taken, and forecasting for 6 months. Like an example of analysis predictions are also provided by this DeepSeek AI, aggregating the sales data. Let's see here month wise total sales, the February, March, April, or what the month how the sale is improved and how it is going to be in a improvements of company performance. It is the sales performance it is showing here, identifying the trends the sales are increasing by approximately $10,000 for each month. Seasonality, higher sales of the observing during the holiday season, November and December, right? And predictive modeling, forecasting, what is the forecasting, how it is going to be applying, recommending for future plans like inventory management and marketing campaigns, sales team, predictive launches. So you just try to get what competitive analysis you require to get using this AI tools with the data. Take such a data in your Excel file and upload it using this file, click on the file and submit like this file, sample data Excel file, and use this file data to show me or what is the report you require. Show me the total sales report zone wise. That's it, a simple report. If you want to make it, you just type it to the prompt and submit it to DeepSeek AI prompt. So when the DeepSeek is not busy this time, like a server is so much of busy identification we have identified while preparation of the lectures. So here, yes, to generate a total sales report zone wise, the provided data we will get in aggregate reports. Let's see here, it is prepared. So total sales report zone wise. So this is the zone wise what the file we have uploaded, the Excel sheet. So the total number of sales it is given for us. So how much of time it is going to be saving. So example calculation has happened with some of the sales with a zone wise north, south, east, west. So insights. So if you need such a report, you just make it transform this data to your Excel sheet and make it Power BI or any other visualization tool to prepare charts that will give you a quick view. So I hope it's a super easy lecture for you. So upload try to get more data analytical reports using this DeepSeek AI. See you in the next one. Thank you. everyone, welcome here. This section for specially designed for to get a smart solutions for students. Yes, in respective of any category of students. For example, I am taking here for computer science students to get an academic project recommendations. This lecture for AI driven academic project recommendations, how we can get and who are in the scholars, research users and final year graduates and mini projects, major projects, documentation creation and project ideas, how we will get using this DeepSeek AI. Let's see, simply I'm asking like suggest, I'm just writing a prompt and academic project recommendations for computer science students. Simply, if you are inside like any other, like a master or any other category of electronic student, electrical student, wherever you fit, and ask DeepSeek AI to get a great recommendations to quickly do your projects in time. So let's see how it is giving DeepSeek AI. So DeepSeek AI is initiated academic project for computer students category wise. It is giving like a beginners level system management system, like a student management system, like a develop a system that student records, attendance, graduates using like databases like MySQL. Any database you may use. MySQL is open source. You can use it. HTML, CSS, JavaScript as a front-end technologies. So basic computer programming, database management, web development technologies, you need to have an aware of it. So library management system is the second one. Optional like online quiz application and a temperature converter, to-do list. These are the basics ones. Intermediate comes to the e-commerce website, chart application, expenses tracker, weather app, online voting system, and advanced AI powered chatbot using NLP, natural language processing to machine learning to apply answer the user queries. These are the great projects and trending projects nowadays. You will have more chances to get a job opportunities when you chosen as such a type of AI powered projects. And a face recognition system, backend like a blockchain based voting system, and a recommendation system, and autonomous system, and energy emerging technologies like IoT and augmented reality, voice assistants, self-driving car, open-ended projects. So many project recommendations of given by DeepSeek. So have you seen, if you have in a specific skill or if you have in a specific area, physics, chemistry, games, sports, which one you want to get to start your research and doing in a real-time project, take a DeepSeek help to approach the levels very quickly. So I hope it will help you on to completion of your projects quickly. See you in the next one. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture we are planning to learning how to get a project documentation for our research purpose or students project like a academic or real-time project, which module you want to make a documentation in detail. So simple example I would like to suggest to you to prepare a prompt for this. So here create a project documentation for chatbot usage in educational system. This project which is used to prepare in Python and MySQL as database. That's keywords are enough to get a solution with real world examples. So I have given an instructions to this DeepSeek AI to prepare a documentation. Let's see how beautifully it is initiated, very quickly and very smartly. So the project documentation for chatbot for educational system, it is a table of content. It is created over here, purpose, scope and technologies used, and you see here it is going to creating a vast speed. It's going, and you may observe here if I scroll down, much pages are created with the source code and project examples, architectures, many things. So once we glance to see the table of content over here, system architecture, features and database design, implementation, usage, and the detailed information as paragraphs like introduction, scope with the technologies how we used here. And come to the picture, like a system architecture. What is the system architecture, how we can use it, and the features, what are the features are providing using like developing this application, database, student, course, grades, and schedule. So the table relations are also designed, like a database design is also done by this deep AI. So DeepSeek is providing greatly, so implementing Python code logics. So here you can observe usage, scenarios, enhancements, conclusion. So independently, if you need, so whenever you need this copy of this code, you take a copy and go to WinWord or any of Word document editor in your desktop or laptop. You just take a source directly, freely you can take it and paste it. Almost like you see here, almost 7 pages of document it is created. So from here you can customize this how you need, and if you need more information regarding this documentation, you just enhance your prompt, enhance by writing of your prompt and adding modules or any keywords in your prompt and submit again. So it will be regenerate for your requirements and convenience. So such way you just create a project documentation using DeepSeek AI powered tool. I hope it will helpful for you. See you in the next one. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome here. This lecture we are planning to simplifying homework and assignments with DeepSeek AI. You are a class student. Any class you may choose, and if you know how to use computer system, if you are a minor, you just take your parents' support how to use. And if you are a higher than a major student and a student of any category, it might be computer science or mathematics, science, English, social, history, wherever you fit and you feel comfortable and your favorite subject you choose. And these this tool deep AI, like a DeepSeek AI tool, is going to solve your homeworks as quickly, at the same time assignments, project works, and any minimum what we can say that like a research and development R&D tasks you have. Yes, the query when you built and submitted to the as a prompt engineering to this DeepSeek AI, you will get a solution very quickly. So let's see a very simple problem. I'm just trying to asking here, explain human digestion system, which is the science very popular important concept this is in the science students. So here I am asking human digestive system. Yeah, human digestive system. Digestive system with real life examples. DIGES, right? So the like a browser also itself, it will says you the correct the spellings. You don't worry if you don't know the spellings and English languages. What you need to do, take a new chart, ask it the sentence you to be corrected. Yes, this DeepSeek AI will automatically correct for you. You need not to worry at all to explore this DeepSeek AI. If you are minor, you just take your support of your parents or elders who will give you a good support. The human digestive system explained with real life examples. Here a very complex network organs of the process of work together to be break down food, absorb nutrients, eliminate waste. It is essential for converting into the food what we eat into the energy and building blocks of growth to repair. Below the detailed explanation it is given. So very detailed information at the first here itself it is explaining what happening. Overall the digestive system, it's like a gastroenterology. So accessories of organs and organs digestive system, their functionality is mouth. Real life example how we take a food by chewing and taking, and see esophagus and stomach, and where the food is moving and how it is taking a process steps also it is explaining. So how beautiful it is. The liver, pancreas, large intestines, and returns and anus, digestive process step by step what happening here, it is given very clear. So the steps eating a pizza, if it is a pizza we eat, what happens, we take by mouth, by bite and chew the pizza, and the saliva breaks down into the carbohydrated in the crust. Great. So these are the steps. All of food, drink a smoothies, what happens? So the common digestive issues in the real life, acid reflux, real life issues also it is given. So as a taking a science concept, how it is explained. So take what is your homework, what is your particular assignment. So maybe as you are a computer graduate and you want to prepare a factorial program using Python. So how it is, let's see. Write a factorial program in which programming language you want to use. You just replace this keyword. It might be Java, C#, PHP, JavaScript, React, Angular or Python. So choose your keyword, write a factorial program in Python program. Python is enough. AI is understand very clearly. Let's submit your this prompt. See, immediately it is shown like very clearly, like certainly it is showing like a Python programming calculate factorial number. So program is ready. The defining a function is created. Input a non-negative number means plus positive value we have to enter. Whether it is a factorial number or not, it is going to be give you an output. So how it works, factorial is n is a 0 or 1, then your factorial returns the number, otherwise it will be. Example of a factorial 5 is given, 5 factorial of 120. So the factors you will get with the recursion model also it is given another suggestion. At the same time you want to make it more. So in this way, what is the program you want to create, what is the suggested inputs you properly give to the prompt, then you will get very quick result as early. So try to practice more assignments with your real life. See you in the next one. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture we are going to creating like a crafting the perfect resume for like which is a fresher, experienced person or any professional in the job category, to make a great professional look resume template. It will create for like a create for you. This DeepSeek AI enhanced tips, if you follow, you just make it very simple resume for you. So I am asking and preparing a simple prompt for freshers resume. Let's check it how it is. Prepare a resume for fresher with academic qualification I can say that BTech CSC. It's a computer science engineering CSE, and technical qualification I am adding like Python full stack development. Python full stack development. Any of other extracurricular qualification you may have, you try to add here. And years of completion of your academic, if you are having, yes, you can specify to give a input to data, then immediately you will get a great resume. So what I am trying to asking, resume template to be in professional software engineer. So let's submit this prompt to this particular DeepSeek AI. So resume template for BSc, like a BTech CSC Python full stack developer. Let's see, you maybe learn like Java, you change the Java, that's it here, and you may be qualification in other IT, non-IT, any which you want to interest. Otherwise you can remove this and put like simply BTech only. Yes, or I have given like a fresher keyword here, and you may be experienced person and you have something like example like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 years of experience in a criteria and in a specific designation. You specify, and also you will get the designation keywords which are trending in the market. Now your full name you have to replace here and write a full name, email and phone number, LinkedIn profile, GitHub address of yours, career objective and academic qualifications where you have to pass, and these are the things if you are given as an input it will replace this. Otherwise you can take a Word document, take a copy and prepare in your Word document and do the modifications as your requirement area. And the technical qualifications is mostly Python, JavaScript. Java is the basics, and SQL, HTML, CSS is the front-end web development, front-end technologies, back-end technologies. Which technologies you know, or if your technologies are not don't know, you just remove that and apply. So the projects, if any academic projects you did it like major, minor projects, you just try to add in that way. All right, and blog application at least 3, yeah, okay. And the certifications, if any done the certification you just try to add it. If any internships, you just achievements, soft skills, hobbies, declarations. So this way if you prepared your resume, then definitely it will be like having a great look for HR departments. So what criteria you are, it might be software, any other category, BPO, customer support, healthcare, power sector, green energy, motor, wherever you are. So you just try to replace such a keywords and prepare your resume using DeepSeek within seconds. Have a enjoy with a stress free and knowing the skills, and be with the confidence of your career. Good luck. Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture we are prepared here for like a DeepSeek AI powered, which is a helping for interview preparation strategies. How we can get, how to success as a software engineer, or which category you are applying for a job role to get a success. So let me prepare a prompt for you to asking how we are going to getting an information using this DeepSeek AI power. So what I am asking here, suggest full stack developer interview questions and answers to success and interview. Just simply I have given full stack developer interview questions and answer. Irrespective of programming language I am not specified, and I am not specified as a fresher, experienced person, and years of work also I am not specified. It's a purely common for all. So let's see this type of strategies to you when you learn any type of interview mostly relevant to the programming, like a full stack developer or full stack front end developer or back end developer, you may be succeed such an interviews. So you just ask like whether you specifically you want to ask a specific technology in full stack development, you just add a keyword like a Java full stack developer, Python full stack developer. In such keyword you have to add it and get an interview questions and answers to take a note. And while learning the learning the knowledge of full stack development, which you are doing a course, take a appropriate comparison whether the answer is accurately it's coming from real life of when your practice of your program project from there. Then this will be very clearly makes you in confident while answering your questions at interview places. So let's see what is full stack development. Full stack refers to the development both front end and the client side and back end, server end. These are all the performances. So the same way, another skill, the skills required for a full stack development like a front end, back end, database, vision like a version control, APIs, and a DevOps like a basics like a Docker CI/CD pipelines. These are the requirements are asking. If you are preparing, you just go through these things, right? And here it is given backend means either Python or Node.java or Java, and these are the front end frameworks: Django, Flask, and Express.js. So most probably either one from these, this way you have to learn to complete your one particular stack, full stack. The next one, front-end development questions. So here it is a HTML, CSS, JavaScript questions may be covering what are the front-end and differences between the these are the JavaScript keywords, standard keywords. Why these keywords? When you learn JavaScript in a strong way, the fundamentals, these are only the fundamentals. So React.js. And backend development comes to the like it's given like a Django and Flask frameworks in Python, and REST API doesn't how does it works? REST API majorly representational state transfer application programming interface. All right, any web services, any APIs, mostly it will work majorly 4 methods like which you can perform in CRUD operations, like a get, post, put, delete. If you strong at these HTTP methods, definitely you will learn any API services easily. How to handle authentication in web application, JWT tokens system and session based authentication. These are the important things. And comes to the database queries like SQL, Postgres. These are the relational database management systems, and NoSQL database like MongoDB, Cassandra. Now queries, how to solve the queries, and how do you duplicate identifications. Let's see. Behavioral questions. Tell me about challenges project works you done. So such a challenging questions everywhere you will be asked. So during my internship, what you have get it, what you did it, and how you save the time to by writing the code. So these answers you have to write. So let's try your way. Learning in that way, and also accordingly like based on your criteria, which interview questions and answers you require and interview strategies, ask DeepSeek AI to get it, practice greatly, be strong on interviews. Good luck, see you in the next one. Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture you are going to learn creating stunning PowerPoint presentations using DeepSeek AI. So content creation is a rich creation, like a more smart way you will get an information of slides. So for this, what you need to do and how to prepare a particular prompt for this, I'll show you a simple example for this, like prepare a PPT PowerPoint presentation slides for hospital management system project. Also I'm specifying here, right? Project workflow automation. That's it. I'm not given more information. So prepare a PPT slides for hospital management system project workflow automation. So when I'm submitting this prompt to DeepSeek AI, let's see. PPT, here I have explored PPT slides for hospital management system project workflow automation. Here it is showing shortcut also is given HMS. So see, the first slide is a title, hospital management system, subtitle it's given, your name, date, introduction, the title where you have to place here, and the key points you have to place into your slide number 2. At the same time, slide number 3 here with the information, and slide number 4 system architecture, what is the requirements to prepare, and you have a doubt like any idea about which technology you want to implement by writing this project. So you specify the project like programming languages or designing or database, more which technologies you want to use, you can add it. Slide number 8, benefits of automation, what is the efficiency, accuracy, cost saving. So these are all the content is created and generated by DeepSeek. Yes, absolutely, you can use it in your own way. There is a no copyright at all for this DeepSeek AI, open AI tools generated contents. So implementation plan, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, how the project is going on, case study and examples, any case studies and real time, and you have any idea and you have any data with you which are already explored in this particular example project. So you just modify it as quickly. Future enhancement and a conclusion. This is given. The question and answers, if any, you just ask them. And where I try to prepare a PPT downloadable resources in this DeepSeek AI, it's not yet done. It's under progress, I think. So where the same task is done at ChatGPT OpenAI, and it's generating 4.0 is generating is a complete PPT file also you can get as a downloadable resource file. So here also I hope it will be, we will get soon in DeepSeek AI. So explore more what the PPT you require for your academic purpose or projects, documentation, wherever you need as a student or a professional. You just get to try to get it and apply your AI skills in all the areas where you are interested. Good luck. Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture we are going to learning job searching techniques to apply a professional job. Here I am prepared a simple prompt to getting an information for professional techniques. It might be like you are applying as a Java developer, software developer, tester, coder, or like a database administrator. What the category and other categories like a power and healthcare, finance sector, or any ERP packages, wherever you suit. So accordingly you search techniques to get a professional way of job and searching and applying. So here self-assessment and goal setting. First it is suggesting for us, identify your skills skills and strengths. So soft skills, experiences, use tools you want to enable, strength, weakness, opportunities, threats, to evaluate yourself. Define your career goals and research career path. First you should self-assessment is clear, then a strong resume and cover letter you have to prepare. See, tailor your resume, writing compilation letter, and use keywords such as an application tracking system, including keywords for job descriptions you have to apply. Then leverage job searching platforms like online job boards, company websites, networking. And the next one, network effectively, attend industry events. Yes, meet professionals in your field wherever it is applicable. Use LinkedIn to connect the professionals, join relevant groups, engage with the content related relevant industry experts, and information informational interviews you check out. Reach out the professionals, decide the field, how they are discussing about the career paths, and preparation of prepare of interviews, research companies, practice common questions, ask questions and anyone to know the better ideas, and follow up and upskill, stay competitive, and patience, yes, it is required. And additional tip is use professional email, example first name last name at gmail.com and company name.com. if any internships or any company name, headlines including optimize your LinkedIn profile. These simple tips it is given to make a professional growth to searching and applying job opportunities. And also if you need a specific job category, job field information to get from this DeepSeek AI, you just change it your particular prompting and submit to yes, innovative way job searching and improving your skills and applying. So I wish you good luck. See you in the next one. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture we are going to learning make the best diet plan, how we can get using DeepSeek AI. The power of DeepSeek AI we are going to learning from here. So I am preparing a prompt here make the best diet plan for a day of 4 members. Let's see how DeepSeek AI is going to be suggesting for this diet plan. So here, balanced nutrition diet plan, family 4 members, consisting like what the needs, the preferences, priority, how you need to go. So like a sample 1 day meal plan is suggesting for us breakfast, what are the items to be have to get a more strength on it, and ensure that option 1, option 2, which you choose your preferable, and a mid and a morning snacks, fruit salad and like a handful nuts. Lunch, what is a grilled chicken, tofu and streamlined vegetables, side salad, and option 2 for soap, whatever it you want. After snacks, dinner. See, all the items one by one is suggested, option 1 and option 2 wise it is given for a diet plan for us. So protein control, variants, limits, cook at home, family involvements is very important in this diet plans. And ensure that whenever you want to make an adjustments in your diet, like a diet, it might be vegetarian or non-vegetarian or any gluten-free, whatever it you want, you just ask into correct into the your prompting and ask your DeepSeek AI, you will get a best diet plan. And one more thing, you have to understand very clearly, this is the AI suggestion, so you need more clear. And if any one of you know the dietitian or diet practitioners, you just take an advice before applying and apply for your diets and be good health. So I hope it is a very super easy to getting an information. See you in the next one. Thank you. Everyone, welcome here. This lecture you are going to learning like any recipe you want to prepare by yourself at your home. Yes, this is possible using DeepSeek AI. So I'm just asking a simple recipe, like a most loved one, like a chocolate cake. So I'm asking a prompting to this particular AI. Let's check how to prepare like a chocolate cake recipe, step by step process with ingredients. For 2 members I am asking. So we have to give us such a like a quantity limitations, then it will be clear understand, and it will be like a suggest us with the quantity of the requirements of ingredients what we need to mix. So understand what is the quantity you require, what are the items you need to add, how to mix it, how to prepare, how to bake, these all the steps. So like this is going to be suggesting for us. I explained, like I asked about to chocolate cake preparation. So if you are having like any one of the like a vegetable curry or non-vegetarian recipes, you wish to ask it and get it and prepare, try yourself at home. So let's see the ingredients of the cake, all purpose of flour and see cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda, salt, milk, vegetable oil, vanilla, egg. And for other chocolates it's optional, if you require you can add it, butter, like powdered sugar, cocoa powder, milk, if you need you can add it. And the step by step process, like preheat the oven over 350 degrees of Fahrenheit, 175 degrees of centigrades. General small baking of 6-inch round small or like a loaf pan you have to take. Mix dry fruit like integrate like ingredients of half cup of flour for pav, and 1/4 to 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/8 tablespoon of baking soda. These all you have to mix it. Mix wet like ingredients. These are the things. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Bake the cake 20-25 minutes. You have to pre-frosting optional, and serve. Tips to success: double the recipe and add-ins, storage. So these are the steps if you taken. You just prepare very well of your cake is ready. So very less time you have all the steps. What are the steps you have to take and try? So this practical way when you apply, take a notes and try to yourself, then how DeepSeek AI is helping you in all the way. So some of the ingredients may be not available at your home. Then ask it whether these are the items to prepare this this cake. So let's try. At the same time, you want to prepare like a fish, like a seafood items, and you want to prepare like a chicken, mutton, or vegetable like a rice, dal, roti, or any these are the dishes or liquids, soups. Ask it and get it the recipe, get it done by AI, prepared and with the ingredients by yourself. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture we are going to streamlining legal documents and sale deeds, how we can create based on our country, region wise country specific legal aspects by applying and asking DeepSeek AI. So here I am asking like a professional legal document for shareholders agreement. Let's see, write a shareholders agreement for 2 years. Let's see how this DeepSeek AI is going to support to prepare a legal document for us. So let's see, very quickly it is initiated. So below general template, I'm not specified any country or any business over here. So it is a given 2 years of term, like a simple document should be reviewed and customized to qualified legal professional. Yes, any information which you are applying as a legal, where you have to verify and review and take a appropriate opinion from the legal advisor who is a certified practitioner or a professional, right? Then this is the ideology, how it would be the format. It shows the AI tools. Shareholders agreement, this is an agreement date between, this is the dates and two parties, whereas none now therefore terms of shareholding things, what the items revenue shares, what you have to specify, management decision making and check power decisions and dividends and distribution restrictions, transfer of shares, confidentiality, disputes, termination, governance of law. These are all the points which will comes to the shareholders legal agreements. Such a beautiful information you can create and get in templates using this AI tool. And also I'm trying to asking write a sale deed for property sale between two parties. One is who is a seller and who is a buyer. Two parties in India format. I'm asking you, when you specify a country, then definitely you will get more accurate information how the sale deed, maybe like a country, like a specific state wise also this sale deed formats will be changed. I hope so. So let's see how DeepSeek is going to be analyzed and provide such an information for us. Yeah, here I think it's taking some time due to server busy. So write a sale deed for property sale between two parties in India format. You may ask it and it will get it. At the same time, write a rental agreement also. So here write a rental agreement between tenant and owner. TE, both you can take it, NANT, tenant and owner. So when you submitted, okay, when you submitted, what the cautions, like if any important points you would like to add in a particular agreement, you just ask add it here at a prompt. It will add such a points and it will give you like 11 months agreement, what are the rental and how much of increment of the rent on every year hikes and power, utilities, usages, these all the things you may ask. So now it is a free now, it is creating the rental agreement. Let's see. So it's a customized, is a specific sort. So rental agreement, the day of the copy, lessors, owner details and tenant details, whereas what the parties you have to modify and property details, here it should be add terms of agreement Rent and security deposit. Yes, most of the rentals will collect security deposit, mode of payment, monthly rent in advances, maintenance and utilities, properties, maintenance repairs, termination of agreement, governance of law, miscellaneous. So signatures of the both parties along with the witnesses' IDs. So a simple way of preparing sale deeds, legal deeds, any formats. Yes, if any letter you want to write, like any professional income tax or any tax departments, how you can prepare? You ask ChatGPT, at the same time DeepSeek to create it. So try to practice more and more, then only you will get what such an information you are getting. I hope it's a very helpful AI tool to make you more power. See you in the next one. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome here. This section for DeepSeek for teaching professionals. So how it will help for teaching professionals? For this lecture, creating engaging content, educational content with DeepSeek, how super easy, I'm going to explaining you now. As a professional or professor, which is a computer science students, and a programming language, when you choose as in a Python, you want to teach more real world and real life examples by adding a concept of Python list, how we can generate a content using DeepSeek AI. Let's see, by prompt we can get it this information. So I'm asking, explain Python list with real world examples. By submitting this prompt, you see how like a DeepSeek AI is giving you what is Python list and how many ways, different type of object types you can practice using these list items. So let's see, Python lists are versatile ordered collection items that can hold a variety of object types. So they are mutable, meaning you can change their content without changing their identity. So here is a real world data shopping list. By creating a list like apples, bananas, milk, bread, which is a shopping is a variable shopping underscore list. The Python source code is also added. So shopping list append means one item if you want to add, you can use to this statement to add using this built-in method, append method, to add your content for your list items, existing list items. So from the remove from the existing items, you need to use this command. So this way, playlist of songs, the second real life example. So random shuffle and a playlist, if you given one by one, it is going to be play. Shuffle also is a built-in method in a Python. So like a Python is having a vast library in terms of like a library using like built-in methods and algorithms. Yes, so it is a very popular nowadays, as you know that by using of a data science concept, analyst and analytics, wherever, and like a machine learning, artificial intelligence. So many concepts are introduced and working with the Python programming language successfully using existing algorithms. So learning Python will give you more advantage as a professional career or a professor or a student, and whatever it you want to in like grow in this particular career. Now let's come to the topic here. So the same way, to-do list, how to create to-do list, email, meeting ad, these are the things, and pop 0, remove all the email clients, and it's done. So here so many options, inventory system, how the inventory system can be created, and these many real life examples content is created for you. You have any specific example in your mind, like a specific sector examples if you need, like a healthcare, automation, and real estate, medical, finance, agriculture, health sciences, data science, cyber security, networks, like so many popular categories are there. If you wish to get in a content, yes, you try to get it and take an advantage to explain more and more. The same way, if you are as a math student, any class you may choose, and how to solve set problems related to quadratic equations, including word problems, applications, real life sciences. The scenarios, which one you want, you can add it. So I'm asking here, so explain how to solve a set of problems related to quadratic equation. Let's see. So solving problems related to quadratic equations in a math. So how it is going to be given. So let's see. Finding the roots of the quadratic equation and how the quadratic formula would be. Simplifying the steps, the step-by-step process, how it is going to be simplifying. So the math student, you are a science student, you are a physics, chemistry, which is your specialization, where as a professor or research article scholar, what you want to create and get the intermediary steps from basic to expert level. So that will take you and to the next level, like what in your mind and how you need to get a super success in this particular field. So try yourself and explore and create engaging educational content for yourself. See you in the next lecture. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome here. So the professionals who are in teaching, who want to become a successful expert in the particular relevant field, so this lecture is for you. So building real world assignments of your students for examinations to get real skill from your students. How it is possible? See, if you are a coding teacher, so I am asking Python coding real world assignments with solutions. Also you will get the solutions to take a solution with you and explain to the students what real time needed skills are required for the students you apply. So let's see, suggest a like a few Python coding assignments with solutions. So let's see, submitting of this simple prompt, then you will get a question as well as the answers. So you need not to worry what questions I can answer it, what question I'm not answer it. So earlier query, what we have did it on a quadratic equation, regarding the same questions only it is generating in Python. So how to write a problem solutions, find the vertex. So the same problems is given. So I'll ask a relevant to the max questions only it is providing for us. So you want to generalize in Python. So specify any one of the topic, or you can ask general topics of a few assignments and solutions. So create, using these solutions you can assign to the students. They will learn much more information using very simply they can solve it. Like suggest few general assignments in Python. So let's see what the questions and the answers we will get from using this DeepSeek. We will check now. So you have to change the prompt and you have to ask a specific subject wise question and answers to get an information using DeepSeek AI. You may be like a periodic table you want, or chemistry, physics, maths, English, Hindi, whatever language you want to choose and submit over here. I hope it's a super easy to understand. It seems like a server is busy. You just try and more explore. You try your way. See you in the next lecture. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome here. This lecture we are trying to exploring how to create innovative books to content writer to generate a content how it is helpful for us. From the beginning, zero to hero, I'm just trying to asking a suggestion for book title, innovative book title. Let's ask a prompt. Suggest a few trending topic titles for new book on computer science group. If you I have submitted this prompt to here, so here are the trending topics it is suggesting greatly. And you have a other than computer science group, you may be like a maths, English, or a specific subject wise group. You just change the topic there, the subject line, and submit here. And let's see, new book on computer science could be capture of the interest of the 2023 scenarios like quantum computing. The titles, AI ethics. If you want to more like blockchain and metaverse handbook and cyber security, edge computing, explained sustainable computing, future of programming, code like low code, no code, and beyond, and data like a database, data science concepts are more popular. Bioinformatics and evaluation of programming languages, past, present, and future. Decentralized and ethics of big data. So 20 suggestions has been given. So you want to make a crafting and customizing these titles. Yes, you can make it and customize it. And select any one of the topic. And also for an example, I may choose any one. Simple one, which is the evaluation of programming language, past, present, and future. If I am taken, what I am trying to asking, prepare chapters and lectures for this title you can put. For this title, just I am trying to asking DeepSeek to prepare chapters, lectures for this topic, like the title. So here, what DeepSeek will help us? It will create for us. So how we can design these chapters and the order of this particular lectures in between, if you are having any idea which is suitable, which is not suitable, you can adjust yourself. And also DeepSeek is also helping you greatly this such a great information. I'm submitting this query one more time here. So it seems like a server is busy when I'm using here. So let's see. So great information to getting. Once what you do evaluation of programming language, when I hit the prompt, we are able to getting chapters and lectures. So one by one lecture wise topic content, if you want to create with the real world examples, that prompts you can create and hit to DeepSeek AI to generate a new content. Yeah, it seems again the server is busy. Always it seems like a server is busy. Yeah, one more time, let me try here. So iterating. For the chapters, for an example, present and the future, the present programming language, one of the Python is there. For that, what you do, see, prepare a course curriculum for Python programming language. When you hit in that prompt, when you hit by using this type of prompts, so what it will do, it will understand and it will create a course curriculum for you a Python programming languages. So you there you want to make it a beginners, intermediate level, advanced level. If you want to make it, add such a keywords to get a great book content like a curriculum and intermediate lecture content by using DeepSeek. So this time it seems like a server is busy. Try your level your level best when the DeepSeek is comfortable. So generate a new books and book titles and content for yourself. I wish you good luck. I'll see you. Wish you good luck and practice more. Thank you.